In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add free shipping over a certain amount on your Shopify store. This is a great way to incentivize your customers to spend a little more, ensuring they hit that sweet spot where shipping becomes complimentary. Let's walk through the steps together and set this up seamlessly to enhance your e-commerce strategy. To begin, start by navigating to the bottom left corner of your Shopify admin page. Here, you'll see an option named Settings. Click on it, and this will bring up a menu filled with various options to fine-tune your store's operations. From this list, you'll need to select Shipping and Delivery. This is the hub where you manage all aspects of how your products are dispatched to customers. Now, in the Shipping and Delivery section, you'll want to look for something called General Shipping Rates. Click on this option, and you'll see a field to engage with various shipping formulas and methods that apply to your store. Here, you'll find an option to Add Rate. This is where we start crafting the free shipping offer for your customers. Once you've clicked Add Rate, the first step is to set up the name for this particular rate. Choose something that will be clear for both you and your customers, like free shipping over $50. Next, set the price of this rate to free. This signals that, under certain conditions, customers will not be charged for shipping. After you've done this, it's time to add some conditions so that this offer is only activated for orders meeting your criteria. Click on Add Conditional Pricing. This option allows us to specify under what circumstances this free shipping rate applies. Select the option labeled Based on Order Price. Now, you'll need to define what that price threshold is. Enter the minimum amount a customer must spend to qualify for your generous shipping offer. It might be $50, $100, or whatever fits your business model and margins. Once you've entered this minimum price, it's vital to save your work. Click Done, and then head over to the main page and click Save. This ensures all the configurations you've done are securely applied to your store. And just like that, you've successfully set up an attractive shipping incentive. By making free shipping available over a certain order amount, you're encouraging larger purchases, which can increase your average order value. This straightforward strategy can help boost sales and keep your customers happy with the perk of free shipping. Thanks for following along, and I hope this helps improve your store's performance.